So I have an update on the Carnival Radiance, and how about an itinerary change? Not one where they take it away from you, but one where they add a port instead. That's something different, and we'll get into it right after this. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. So Carnival Cruise Lines, well, they have announced the cruise director and entertainment director for the Carnival Radiance. Now the Carnival Radiance is going to begin cruising from California, doing cruises up and down the coast and to Mexico, starting here on December the 13th. So if you are on that cruise, well, here is your cruise director and your entertainment director. And they will be Ryan Rose as your cruise director, and Bradley Cripps is going to be your entertainment director. So just in case you were wanting to know who was going to be helping entertain you and keep you involved in the activities on your cruise, well, there you go. So itinerary changes, you know, they happen all the time. Cruise ports get canceled. Things get moved around. Itineraries get reordered. Sometimes you don't even go to cruise ports at all. It's, you know, not necessarily a every cruise it happens kind of common thing, but it's common enough that everybody is familiar with itinerary changes. Well, how about an itinerary change that's actually adds a stop instead of takes one away? Well, Norwegian Cruise Lines, particularly the Norwegian Joy, starting in May of 2022, is going to be sailing from New York down to Bermuda, doing 7-day cruises. They have added Norfolk, Virginia to that itinerary. So you'll leave New York, stop in Norfolk, Virginia, spend a full day there enjoying the historical sites. There's a large naval base there, several things to do there in Virginia before continuing on to Bermuda. Now, right now, this is for the May the 1st, May the 8th, May the 15th, and for the May 22nd, 2022 sailings, and most likely will also get added to any June and July sailings that the Norwegian Joy will be doing. So if you are scheduled on the Norwegian Joy sailing out of New York next year, looks like you are going to get an extra stop, an extra port to visit, just a little something extra for the passengers on board. All right, and that is our cruise news video for today. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, do me a favor, give it a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day, and of course, like always, we will see you out on the high seas.